Good afternoon, Southeast Lancer seniors. I am going to show you today on Career Cruising how you can find scholarships. It's another way to find scholarships that are directed towards you based on information that you give Career Cruising. Then you can keep track of what you've turned in and what you have not. Some of them are nationwide, most of them are nationwide, but it doesn't help to fill out as many scholarships as possible, and now is the time to start. So once you log into Career Cruising, utilizing the information that you were given, your username and password, you're going to go to the top where it says Financial Aid. Click on that. Then on the left-hand side where it says Financial Aid Selector, Start Selector. This is where you're going to fill in a bunch of personal information about yourself. On the left-hand side, you can see the checkoff sheet of how long it takes you and what all you need to complete in order to get the scholarships geared towards you. So I'm just going to click through here as if I were a high school senior. I'm going to choose 2002. It doesn't really matter. This is where you put any physical or mental challenges that you may have been diagnosed. I'm going to click None. What is your citizenship? United States. I'm a resident of the United States. I'm going to click Kansas. Then I'm going to, do you see at the bottom where it tells you can go back and you can go forward? It's at the top and the bottom. What is your racial background? If you are Caucasian, you're going to put that. If you have anything else in you, Native American, Hispanic, go ahead and click that because that can give you more options for scholarship opportunities. This is where if you're related or if you're in a religious group, you're going to click those. Ethnic background, if you are not sure, just click None. Go to your academic history. Are you currently in high school? Yes. What is your GPA? It tells you kind of the options that you have. What year of college study will you be entering? Everybody's going to be a freshman. What are you planning to study? So if you have anything that you're kind of interested in, you're going to go ahead and select that. So I'm going to click biology. I'm going to click communications. And that just gives you more options for scholarship opportunities. What type of school are you planning to attend? So 2-year college would be a junior college or a trade school. 4-year college would be a university, or and that's not actually on there twice, would be a state college, a university, or a trade technical school. So I'm going to click a 2-year college. Full-time, part-time, or I don't know. Full-time is basically 15 hours or more. Some schools are 12, I believe. Where are you planning to attend school? I'm going to click Missouri. And I'm just going to keep going. What are your hobbies, interests, and talents? So athletics, bowling, you're just going to choose anything that they have on there. If there's nothing, you just click none of these. Are your parents a member of the following civic clubs or organizations? I'm going to keep going. Have you or your parents ever served in the armed forces? I'm going to click no. No. Agriculture, are you or your parents affiliated with any of these corporations? I'm going to say none of these. And then it gives you a list of results. These are 137 matching scholarships based on information that you provided Career Cruising. It not only tells you the amount that's you're capable of getting, but it also gives you the deadline. So if I'm going to click on a scholarship that I want, it gives me all the information that I need, where I can go, the email address, the URL address, but you can also go in here and look at all the criteria that they have. If you are wanting to complete the scholarship, what I would do is I would go through all the scholarships that it lists for you and then save it to your plan. If you have any other questions regarding financial aid or scholarship opportunities based on what's going on Career Cruising, please feel free to contact me. I will be meeting with each senior one-on-one, discussing your future plans after high school, whether that be work, whether it be a 2-year college, a technical school, or a university. We will look at what you need to do and what you need to map out for your senior year to get you prepared for after high school. Once again, thanks for your time and good luck filling out your scholarships. If there is nothing on here that you want to do, that is fine. Just look at Career Cruising, look at some career opportunities, and we will meet again soon. Thank you.